All right. So today I decided to get out the house and show you guys the local market here in Baras, Rizal, on the island of Luzon. So I'll just walk out to the front here and then we'll do the whole intro. So I got some drone footage earlier, so hopefully the drone footage will be at the end of this video so you can see more about it. But this market is fairly new. I think it's only been here about 5 years now, and they're still adding things to it. But when the market wasn't here, it was kind of dispersed among the neighborhood. On Tuesdays and Saturdays, it was set up on the street, which was kind of inconvenient because it was on the street that my house was. So they got a parking spot, which is good. It's never empty. And now here, you got all kinds of stuff. You got, your household materials, your fresh fruit and veg, your fresh meats, clothes, toys, rice, a little bit of everything. So I'm just going to do a walking tour here and let you guys get an understanding of the market here. And we'll start, we just go right down the center here and we can meet Ellen. So there's Ellen and her sister saying hi. So all this produce is fresh, right? So you see a lot of lettuce. Do I want Ano? What's that? Dried fish? Obviously, you can get shoes, underwear, bags, belts, all kinds of things. Let's take a look at the wet market. So this is actually a really nice market compared to before. Hey, how's it going, guys? Gusto, pero I ate lempo the other day. Today I'm having isda. Fish na. Thank you po. Oh. Hello. What's that? You got more veg. Lots of veg. Lots of different sellers of veg. Longanisa, sausages, lunch meat, hot dogs. Isda is here for all the different fish. Oh, so many fish. Still alive. Fresh as can be. This one not so fresh. This one's super fresh. Let's walk around and see the other side here. Now back in the background there, you'll see the municipality for Baras. The jail, the gym, mayor's office, all the administration offices is back on the other side. And I believe the city owns the rice fields between here and there. And if you look, they have kind of stuff staked out. I think what they're going to do is just expand as the town grows to include stuff out here. This one looks like a wholesaler of bananas. And some noodles, more bananas. Yeah, pretty much it's like a big farmer's market, except the fish is fresh, the chicken's fresh, and obviously all the fruit and produce is fresh. And then the other side of the market is going to deal with items such as toys, pots and pans. Let's go take a look in here and see what we got. See, so this side here has shops that are, looks like a lot of clothes for sure. School uniforms, which are a thing right now because school's starting back up. It's just it's a bunch of household goods, Toys. Looks like more household stuff, shower curtains, pots and pans.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Musta? I'm just showing for my blog.
Okay. You show my curtains.
Yeah, I just said shower curtains and regular curtains here too. And your name?
Myla.
Myla's Curtain Shop.
Yeah.
And you make these yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, handmade curtains. Nice.
Yeah.
And you do sheets and pillowcases and
Yeah,
everything?
yeah. Pillowcases. There's some pillowcases.
Yeah, so all of these are handmade by you, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Mostly.
And then blanket, most.
Most.
Pillow and throw pillow.
Nice.
And doormat.
Oh, yes.
And the bed sheet
We
as
go
well.
through the, yeah. Oh, above us is all the bed sheets. Very good.
Where you come from?
I live dito sa Baras.
But you come from?
America, California
Okay.
before. Mas I was sa Reina Balestero, but now Reina Breen.
Before, I've been to London for 3 years.
Oh.
But I'm a student visa only. And then my employer did not give a working
Visa.
visa because they did not sponsor.
Yeah, it's
That's
hard.
why
It's
I
hard.
need to go back Philippines.
Pero mas maganda dito, talaga.
I'm a caregiver. I work in a
Oh, so
nursing
you have
home.
a good job, good salary there.
Yeah.
But here you have more freedom, talaga.
Yeah,
You know, if you don't need a lot of money, it's nice out here.
you're right.
You know, I've been here full time 8 years now,
Oh, 8 years now.
but I've been coming 16 years, 17 years, first time dito sa Baras. So, it's okay na.
Si ano, your wife is Reina, friend
Oo.
of Ellen?
Oo.
Okay. Because Ellen is my friend as well.
Yeah,
That's
well,
right.
if you live in Baras, everyone knows Ellen.
Yeah. Because she's mabait.
Yeah,
good.
she's very kind.
Yeah,
and-
you're right.
And she's always
very kind.
always working, selling foods
yeah.
or bulan. Okay.
Ellen and his husband.
Vincent.
Yeah.
and also a nice guy.
Your wife of your husband of Reina.
Okay po.
Thank you.
Thank you din. She was nice. All right, so there's not a whole lot more than this.
Yes, my friend.
Hey, how's it going?